people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is the Esperanto Associate. Alright, right now we are gonna go home. Banda Aceh. We are on the way now. Go about this village, like Laweung, very tall, awesome village here. Very tall and famous here. Very awesome people. You know what? Couldn't I imagine that here? A lot of people, very tall and crowded here. You know what? Oh, down after it got raining here, got flood here. You know what? Got flood. I have no idea why do people like almost got flood every single day, because today it got rain there. Can't imagine that. Got flood. That is flood. Call that flood probably. No what? No one can believe that. This is very dangerous flood around the world. Wow. No one knows about this, because now we wanna go home. Banda Aceh, our hometown there, the most beautiful place around the world. You know what? Can you imagine that? This street very similar Budapest in Hungary. Iceland there, very totally beautiful there, very familiar, very the same like there. So you don't have to go abroad, don't have to go somewhere, example from United States or not Kingdom or Australia or New Zealand or Europe. Just go visit to Banda Aceh or Laweung there. Look like Arkansas, US over here.
Padahal sini wisata paling mangkuk nih ya.
Here the beautiful view here, very tall, awesome. Look like from Pennsylvania and Arkansas. Have you ever been there, like United States or Arkansas, you know that, or Wyoming, Pennsylvania, Ohio? That is very tall, very familiar with here. Oh, there. Oh, come on, Paul, seriously. This is the way is dangerous. No what? Road way here. Very tall image hit by water here. Welcome to Laweung City here. We call about Laweung.
Lagi musim tanam padi.
Yeah. Farming season here.